Hi guys. So if you're looking how you can add your Midjourney bot into your Discord server, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So make sure to keep watching till the very end so you're able to follow each and every step, because if you miss any step, you might not be able to do it. So if you're using Midjourney, you must know that Midjourney is a very fantastic AI generating tool, but it's a bit crowdy in the browser version. So in order for you to get the bot, what you can do is just simply go to the Midjourney site over here by searching Midjourney on your Chrome. Just go inside the site. Now wait for it to load in, then scroll down, and over here just simply click on join the beta. Just simply click on it. Now it will take you to your Discord. Then click on join Midjourney over here. Then it will ask you to allow access. So just simply allow it. Then it will ask you some things like this. So just simply answer it. Then click on verify. Now you will notice that the Midjourney server has been added to your Discord. So after doing that, he will ask you some prompts. So if you want to answer it, you can answer it, or you can just simply skip it over here. Then click on finish. Now after you are in your Midjourney Discord server, what you can do now is you can try using Midjourney by going into these panels over here. So after you're done creating an image, so now as you can see the image has been created. Now I'm going to show you how you can add this Midjourney bot into your own server. So it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just simply click on the bot, then click on add to server. Then click on the drop down box, choose your server, click continue. Then scroll down and click authorize. Then click on I am human, and the Midjourney bot has been added to your own server. So let's go and check it. So as you can see, the Midjourney bot has been added over here. So again, if you want to make any art, backslash imagine, then your prompt, let's say car on moon, a simple prompt, then hit enter. Now over here you will be completely alone and there will be no one to disturb you or multiple images popping in front of your screen. So while you're using it, I should mention you will only get 25 free images that you can create in Midjourney. So if you want to create more images, you have to get the paid plan. So as you can see, our image has been created and it's looking pretty good. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take